Opening scene, a colorful and vibrant cartoon world. Upbeat music plays in the background as the camera zooms in on a bustling city. Welcome to the fantastical world of our beloved characters. Let's join them on their adventures. Mystery Inc. van, Scooby-Doo and the gang. Fade into Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, Velma, Daphne, and Fred, driving the mystery machine through a spooky forest. Scooby-Doo pops his head out of the window, tongue wagging. Scooby-Doo. Roo-row! We've got a mystery to solve, gang. They drive off, leaving a trail of dust behind. Bugs Bunny's carrot patch. Cut to Bugs Bunny, munching on a carrot, leaning against a fence with a mischievous glint in his eye. Bugs Bunny. Hey, what's up, Doc? Time for some carrot chompin' fun. He winks at the audience and hops away, leaving carrot peels behind. Mickey Mouse's magical kingdom transition to Mickey Mouse in his iconic red shorts, greeting guests at his magical kingdom. Mickey Mouse. Hiya, pals! Welcome to the happiest place on Earth. Let's spread some magic. Mickey waves his wand, creating sparkles that fill the air. Doraemon's secret gadgets shift to Doraemon, the robotic cat from the future, in his secret lab, surrounded by incredible gadgets. Doraemon. Nobita. It's gadget time. Time to help our friends with some futuristic fun. He pulls out a magical gadget, smiling mischievously. Bikini Bottom. SpongeBob's Pineapple House. Cut to SpongeBob SquarePants in his pineapple house, flipping Krabby Patties at the Krusty Krab. SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's dive into the deep sea fun. SpongeBob giggles as he flips a patty, sending it flying into the air. Metropolis. Superman's heroic feats. Zoom to Superman, flying high above the city, a red cape billowing in the wind. Superman. Up, up, and away. There's always time to save the day. He speeds off, leaving a trail of light behind. Tom's cat and mouse chase transition to Tom the cat, chasing Jerry the mouse through a chaotic kitchen. Tomcat. Meow. I'll catch you, Jerry, no matter what. Jerry zips past, dodging Tom's antics with a mischievous grin. Spider-Man swinging through New York City. Cut to Spider-Man swinging from building to building in New York City, shooting webs. Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility. Time to swing into action. He swings away, leaving a web trail behind. Naughty's Enid Blyton Village. Finally, transition to Naughty in his colorful Toyland village, greeting friends with a smile. Naughty. Oh golly, let's have a jolly good time together, shall we? He happily skips along, spreading joy to everyone he meets. Closing scene. All characters together. As all characters gather in a colorful parade, no matter the adventure or the mischief they get into, these favorite characters always bring joy and excitement wherever they go. Join them next time for more fun and laughter. The characters wave to the audience as the scene fades out with cheerful music playing in the background. So, dear kids, you like your favorite characters in the video, so keep watching and subscribe. Like share Danyal Haider. Cartoons for kids. See you very soon. Bye-bye.